Best copyright-free music for YouTube videos in 2020. In today's video, I'll tell you about the 5 best sites where you can go and find music you can use in your videos, in your vlogs. Tuesday. I'm Ralf Straaberg and this is Tube Tuesday. Woo! People are excited. If you like what you see here and you're also excited about my videos and my content, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bells. When you want to use music in your YouTube videos, there are some things you need to know and need to pay attention to. You always have to use royalty-free music, copyright-free music, because if you use something like a big top 10 hit in your videos, then you are violating the copyright and chances are you could get your channel banned or your videos will be taken down. So make sure when you use music that you use the right kind of music, the music that you are allowed to use in your videos. I'll show you some sites where you can go and find music that is free to use and music you can have on your channel without getting into any kind of problem. So here are 5 sites that I found that are really good and have some great content no matter what kind of music you like. If it's electronic music, if you just like some ambient, slow, chill out music, if you like happy music, rock music, any kind of music you like, all these sites have different kind of music and something you would also like. Some of them are free, and I also chose 2 sites that you have to pay to use, but you can choose for yourself what do you really like. So if you're ready, let's go into the computer and let's see some of these sites live. Best copyright-free music for YouTube videos here in 2020. When you are already logged into your YouTube channel, you can go here on the right side, left side, your left side, my right side. You go here on the audio library, and here in the audio library you find free music you can use in your videos here on YouTube, and there's also free sound effects you can use if you want to have a drum roll, a car driving by, anything you can find in here, and it's free to use. You don't have to credit per se. Only one thing you really need to pay attention to when you use the free music here on YouTube, go here on attribution and go attribution not required, because when you choose the attribution not required like this, all the music you get here you can use for free and you don't have to do anything about it. You don't have to give credit in your description or anything. You can put it in your videos and use it just like you want. If you go in here and you see here, maybe on this here, you can say free to use in your videos, and there's nothing you need to do. If I were here, if I took somebody who had attribution required and a song like this, I can see here you can still use the song in your videos and everything like this, but you have to copy this down here into your videos. If you don't do this, then you can get problems, because then you did not fulfill the agreement to use the free music under the Creative Commons. So make sure, if you don't want to put all this into your descriptions, then just go here on attribution and say attribution not required. Then you are home safe. You can use this. You don't get any copyright strikes, you don't get copyright claims, you don't get problems about YouTube or anything like this, because it's YouTube's own music. So this is a good way for you if you want to start simple and there's no problem like this. On YouTube you can find audio library. This is a YouTube channel that puts out royalty-free music you can use in your music videos. They have rules about how you can use it. Under each music video you will see what are the rules for download and use this song in your videos. One good thing I like about Audio Library is they are creating playlists. So if you want something special sorted by mood, then you can go in here and say, okay, I want something happy, something dark, if I'm in the mood for something like this in my videos, or something by genre, if I'm looking for hip-hop music or pop music or whatever. They have listed this into different genres and moods, so it's easy to go in and find what it is you're actually looking for. We could maybe see something like a song here they have put on. You can see here they write about a little bit about the song, and here they say you are free to use the song in any YouTube videos, but you must include the following in your description. And then you have to copy paste. And what it is here, actually, it is the artist that made the song. Of course, they want to get known and they want their music to get out. So this is why you use it for free. So if people go and listen to them on Spotify or anywhere else, then of course they get extra plays, or maybe they get a few money from this. Another great site, which is also free and it's also here on YouTube, is No Copyright Sounds. Most of their music is a bit more electronic. They have a lot of sounds, a lot of musics. Also make playlists, same they do on Audio Library. So you can find pretty much what kind of mood you're into. You can see here I have more like house, dubstep and drum and bass kind of music. So if this is what you like, then this is the place for you to go and find a lot of great music for your videos. Also, if you just want to listen to it and have a good time, you can definitely do that also. But also, like again, I told you here, if you took a song and you listen to it and you go in and remember to go and see the description and see what do they want from you, they just say copy paste this into your description, and that's it. And then you do what they say, and then you are pretty much home free. Just remember that maybe this artist Jericho, maybe in 2 years from now or 3 years from now, maybe he gets a hit and get to be a really big name. Then he can go and say you can no longer use this, and then you can have a little bit problem about the music you have in your videos. So this is one of the risks you are taking by using this kind of music, because what they use here on No Copyright Sounds and many and also on Audio Library, a lot of times it will be artists that are on SoundCloud or something like this, and they want their music out, they want to get known, so they allow this in the beginning, but maybe later on they change their mind or they get signed by a big get a big deal for a record company. And when we go to some of the pay sites, there are two sites that are big, and say one site that is really growing at the moment is Artlist. Artlist has a lot of music and also has a lot of sound effects. Same you can find on YouTube's Audio Library also. The good thing about maybe a place here like Artlist is that they have more than just more than just sound effects. They also have videos. If you want to go in and find B-rolls for your videos, you can also sign up for this and you can go and take a look. Then there's Epidemic Sound, which is also a pay site just like Artlist. Epidemic Sound is very popular, a lot of people use it, and they have a lot of things. If you go into their personal site, then you can see that they have a free trial you can go and use, and they have a lot of tracks. So when you go in and you sign up for the music here on Epidemic Sound, then they have sound effects if you are looking for specific sound effects, like also other sites, and they have put them into genres so it's easy to find whatever it is you're looking for. Whoosh sounds you see a lot of times when you see videos, they use this, or maybe cartoony sounds if you're looking for something like this in your videos. And of course then you can browse all the kind of music they have by genres or by moods, anything that you like. And the good thing here is before you sign up you can even go in here and you can see what kind of music do they have, and you can listen to a few of the songs and say, okay, maybe you want to listen to some of the music here and see, okay, I want to listen to this track. Then you can listen to the quality they have here before you actually sign up. So it's a good way for you to go and listen to some music and find out which site has what you actually looking for. So you can go use YouTube's free private service, or you can have the paid services. I hope you liked some of the things you saw here, and please let me know in the description what kind of music you like, what kind of music you will use in your videos for the future if you're using music, and let me know, because I'm curious. I really think that some of these sites have some amazing music and really great quality music also. Some of the music you find on these sites is something you would believe you could also listen on the radio if you were driving in your car or something like this. The quality of royalty-free music and non-copyrighted music is really great on these sites. And there's something for every taste, no matter what it is you like and what you're searching for your videos. You can find some music, some content here that is really good and relevant for you. Some things you should know about some sites: if you use things like SoundCloud and you have written to the owner of the music and they've given you permission to use their music in your videos, then of course you have to credit them. But you should also be aware of one thing, that if they maybe in 1 year, 2 years or 3 years from now find out that they are getting big or getting a lot of attention, or maybe they sign a record deal with a company, then they can go and revoke. So in that case you can get into problems, and because they can say you are no longer allowed to use this music, and they can give you a copyright claim, not a strike. There's a difference between a copyright claim and a copyright strike. The copyright claim is if you are making profits, if you are making money from ad revenues on your YouTube channel, then they will take the money you make from your revenue on your channel by using their music. So this is something you need to put into consideration if you use free and non-copyrighted music on places like SoundCloud and things like this. I'm Ralf Straaberg and you have been watching Tube Tuesday. I will put links down in the description to all the sites so you know where you can go and find this royalty-free music, and you can go and look for the sites what you are looking for in your videos. Also, if you like what you see here, subscribe to my videos, hit the notification bell so you never miss it when I put out new content, and share it with your friends.